Good morning, friends. I am Nirmal Patnaik, and I will talk about ketogenic diet. Why I would want to talk about ketogenic diet? Because recently an actor died due to kidney failure, and her name was Mishti Mukherjee. She was an actor, and she was following ketogenic diet. That's keto diet. So the keto diet is a diet where you use a lot of proteins and low carbohydrates. So a lot of actresses use this ketogenic diet to reduce and keep their bodies fit and slim, and because this is their profession, I cannot just follow the ketogenic diet because I don't require it. I'm a professional, so I can be in any form. But for the actors and actresses, they have to follow a certain body maintenance and physical fitness, and they have to maintain the glamour. So many things they have to do it. So in order to do that, a lot of people, a lot of actors, they follow a lot of diets. So some people go and do a lot of exercises. Some some actors, they do dieting. Some follow the diets. So following a diet is good, but if the same diet harms you and it makes your life dangerous, then what is the point? So there is no point of doing the dieting, and if it harms you or it takes your life. So let us talk about the ketogenic diet. What is the pros and cons of the ketogenic diet? So Mishti Mukherjee was an actress based from Bangalore. She died on October 2nd as per the Times of India news, and a lot of channels also flashed about her death, and definitely will pray for her. And why these things happen? If you don't follow proper procedures and blindly follow the diet planning, and you don't understand the diets properly, and you overdo it, so that will harm your body, and maybe your life will be taken. So as what happened in Mishti Mukherjee's case. So I have given a link about the news article below, and you can go through that article, so you will understand the particulars about the Mishti Mukherjee's death. So now let us talk about the keto diet. Ketogenic is a term, low carb diet, like Atkins diet. The idea is you to get more calories from protein and fat and less from carbohydrates. You cut back most on the carbs that are easy to digest, and like sugar, soda, pastries, and white bread. How it works? In that this diet, fat intake is high, in protein intake is medium, and carbohydrate intake is very low or negligible. This is the fastest way to lose weight. When you eat less than 50 grams carbs a day, your body eventually runs out of blood sugar it can use quickly. This typically takes 3 to 4 days. Then you will start to break down protein and fat for energy, which can make you lose weight. This is called ketosis. It is important to note that ketogenic diet is a short-term diet that focused on weight loss rather than the pursuit of health benefits. Some people may adjust and some people may not adjust to this diet. So weight loss. A ketogenic diet may help you lose more weight in the first 3 to 6 months than some other diets. This may be because it takes more calories to change fat into energy like it does to change carbs into energy. It also possible that a high fat, high protein diet satisfies you more, so you eat less, but that has not been proven yet. So when you start keto diet, you start eating fats. So some people may lose weight faster, and some people may take time. So once people start taking time, they eat more of fats and they start prolonging the dieting. So what happens when you eat more fats? The excess fat should be flushed out of the kidneys, but it starts accumulating in the form of kidney stones. So once the kidney stones started forming, then you will be having kidney problems, and moreover the acidic content in the urine also a reason for the kidney failure. So that's what happened in this actress case. Okay, let's start talking about the side effects. The most common are usually serious. You might have constipation, mild low blood sugar or indigestion, much less often low carbs. Diets can lead to kidney stones, as I said, or high level of acid in your body. Other side effects can include the keto flu, which may include headache, weakness and irritability, bad breath and fatigue. So you must diet with care. You should do and any dieting and follow blindly about diets, and you must take the doctor's advice or your life can be danger. Indigestion, much less often less low carb diets can lead to kidney stones or high level of acid in your body. Acidosis it's called. Other side effects can include the keto flu, which may include headache, weakness and irritability, bad breath and fatigue. So you need to do dieting with care. You should not do any dieting and follow blindly about diets, and must take the doctor's advice or your life can be in danger. When your body burns its stores of fat, it can be hard on your kidneys. And starting a ketogenic diet or going back to a normal diet afterwards can be tricky if you obsess because of the other health issues. You are likely to have like diabetes, a heart condition or a high blood pressure. If you have any other conditions, make diet changes slowly and only when the guidance of your doctor. You should not make any changes in your dietary habits. Normal people also need to drink lots of water because that flushes out all the unwanted matter from your kidneys. So it is always advisable to drink lots of water. Anything excess is bad for health. Keep the diet in moderate quantity. Keep watch on your digestive system, kidneys and acidic content in urine and maintain it properly. If you want to start any diet, you need to do proper research online and take your doctor's advice. Don't follow blindly and fall prey to all diet programs which may not be reliable. So I have given weblink WebMD about keto diet for your knowledge. You just go through that and do proper research and start keto diet. Not only keto diet, there are a lot of information available on the net. You can Google, and a lot of health websites are there, doctors available and nutritionists available, but you cannot rely on these companies who suggest you for fast dieting and fast losing weights, because if you start losing weight also, after some time when you stop that dieting and you start eating, then you come back to square A. So it is better to maintain a proper health, eat healthy foods, eat organic foods, do some exercise and drink lot of water. That is my advice. So I am signing off. Please like my video, share my video. You have any queries or comments, please post it in the comments section and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get more and more videos like this. Thank you very much. Signing off, Nirmal Patnaik.